Hey, YouTube and Twitter. It's me, Josh, aka Scanograms, aka Vicious Idiot. Again, this is tutorial number 2. See that? 2. Um, I'm going to teach you how to do scanograms. If you don't know what a scanogram is, it's basically cameraless photography slash I would even call it printmaking using a scanner, like literally, like a flatbed scanner, like I'm going to be using today. But you can use it to do a lot of fun, interesting shit. It's it's really easy, but with a bit of sort of clever thinking, ingenuity, you can make really interesting stuff. So yeah. Um, First off, we have to find things to scan, and I'm going to like rummage all around my fucking rooms to find something, so stay tuned. Okay, now we want shit that obviously is going to fit in a flatbed scanner. Like, not necessarily flat shit, because you don't have to put the lid all the way down as much as you're going to get like light leak issues, which we're going to get into in a bit. I might grab Tiny Wiley. Just put that in my pocket. I might grab Squeaky Weasel. Might grab Crash. Oh. What else do we have in here? I wanted to use this Wiley mask. There's a thing that Bill did for me. Hi, Bill Canner. That should be... Oh, I wanted to... Hang on. In here, I wanted to use this shiny thing. Okay, so here's my flatbed scanner, and technically, Windows on my computer updated, and now this doesn't talk to the like official HB app anymore. Like the app on my computer won't register that it's there. But whatever. You might notice I have the light off, which doesn't help that much because it's bright as fuck outside. But like, light is an important factor here because we're working with this cover off. Like, I do my best work at night, but I can't be bothered waiting to film this fucking video, so here we are. I'm just gonna take, let's see, Squeaky Weasel. Arrange things however you want. Like that. Put Crash there. Finger him a little. Oh, the mask isn't really going to fit in, is it? So we dump that. That should be good. Let's see, we've got all those in there. They're fine. Now I'll switch to the computer and show you the process of. Okay, so now we're going to go find paint because, like I said, HB Smart here doesn't want to cooperate right now. But through Google, I found out that you can like scan shit through paint, which is nice. We're just going to. Where is it? Ah, in File, from Scanner or Camera. And we just go, you can do grayscale or color or a black and white picture or whatever. Like, grayscale is obviously great for the moody shit. But yeah, I'm just going to scan this and see what it looks like. Aha! This would be so much easier if I could use fucking use my actual program that actually does it and is supposed to do this. But yeah, there we have objects arranged very statically. Now, the thing I really like about scangrams is from this point onward, you can sort of, just fuck it up. Yeah, crash, scangram. But yeah, the thing is, get this, think about how a flatbed scanner works, right? Switching back to phone view. So like, you know how the thing goes across here, like do. Thing is, simple concept, you move the things that are on the flatbed and it fucks it up. It does cool shit, so let's, I have this, I literally have like sticky tape up here to keep this open just in case I don't want to, fuck with that, because this is the only place I could fit my printer, this fucking shelf. But yeah, you get that. You open Paint again. See, this would be much easier with the actual software because it's whatever. But yeah, from scanner to camera. Now we're gonna click scan, and then as it's scanning, we're going to fuck around with the things as the thing is going down. You can like follow the light bar if you want. You can sort of shift things around in different places, whatever you want. The idea is it's gonna look cool. Like, you'll have to believe me. So you've got to click scan, and in the time it's going from point A to point B, you just move things. So we are going to do that right now. So I press scan. I might grab crash. Wait a moment for the light bar to come down to his face. Move him down, move friggin', and then put this back down here. And we'll see what we have. Aha! Ta-da! We have a brilliant fucking mess. It looks like the rock, the earth turd has like transported itself to the bottom. It looks like Crash is sort of flickering in and out of existence, sort of becoming real momentarily, powered by my intense, all-consuming lust for him, bringing him into the physical realm. But yeah, you get the idea. You move things around. It makes things fun. It makes things all fucked up, and it looks arty. It looks cool and artistic, and everyone will think you're really smart and clever for doing this, but they don't know that it's piss easy. But yeah, you can do like infinite bullshit with this, I reckon. Like, just play around with it. Lights are really good, like torches and lighting matches and holding them over the thing. Be careful not to burn your fucking printer. But yeah, just play around with it. It's really fucking fun. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was educational, and I hope you try and do this yourself. Just be careful though, because I think I've already managed to scratch the shit out of the glass on my printer, because I don't know, put like a sheet of Perspex down on your flatbed or whatever. Keep it a bit protected. But yeah, it's fun. It's easy. Well, not makes it sound like I'm shit talking, but like it's a simple way to make cool, effective stuff if you use your imagination. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed my second YouTube tutorial. Tune in next week when I teach you how to draw Scooby-Doo regurgitating a half-digested Sonic the Hedgehog.